Hi, my name is Lefteri and I'm going to speak about my project with Virgin Media on digital targeting optimization to increase website visitor propensity. Virgin Media, as you might know, is a large British telecommunications company offering broadband, mobile, and TV services. It is one of the largest internet providers in the UK with over 20% market share in 2020 and recently joined forces with O2. When it comes to online customers, the Virgin Media website gets over 22 million monthly visitors, some of which will end up making a purchase. Due to the large volume of visitors, it is important to group them in an automated way and target specific groups in order to provide personalized offers. Now, how to do that? The visitor's journey begins when they access the Virgin Media website. Often, the visitors will use Google search engine and type in some keywords that will redirect them to the Virgin Media website. The first time the visitors enter the website, they will be asked to store cookies on their device. And this is how digital targeting optimization starts and how Virgin Media is able to customize offers for visitors. Part of a visitor's activity will be stored as information in the cookies that later on can be analyzed and find out useful information about the visitor's background and actions, such as how much time they spent on the website, the number of pages they visited, or even which pages specifically they visited. And also get information on how they arrived at the website, if it was direct click or via other methods such as search engine or social media. The aim of this project is to analyze data and calculate the likelihood of a visitor to make a transaction, and then use a model in real time in order to provide personalized offers to visitors. The model will calculate visitors by probability based on some predefined factors trained on historical data. We have access to a high volume of historical data covering over 200 million website visits for over a year, describing website activity, visitor profile, and traffic information. The digital targeting optimization model will help us move from the current phase where we have access to the visitor's data and activity, but we don't use them and we don't know if the visitor is going to convert or not, to the next phase, where the model will be able to analyze the data and provide useful insights regarding the visitor's activity and predict visitor conversion. At a later phase, the model can be used to target specific visitors with similar characteristics and background, and potentially increase the customer buy probability. For this task, we use machine learning and specifically a light GBM model, which is a decision tree algorithm mainly used for ranking and classification. We use a 3-month period data from earlier this year to train our model on 14 features. A crucial part of the training process was to balance the data, as only a small number of visitors make a transaction. So we selected the meaningful visits, such as when the visitors are located in the UK, or when they're actually looking at the product page. Then we have a more balanced data set that helps the model understand the important features of visitors who made the transaction. To evaluate the model, we use real data from April 2021, where the converted visitors is about 10%. For the same data set, the current DTO model predicts as converted visitors only 2%, which means that it underpredicts by 80%. The new DTO model, on the other hand, predicted 14%, which shows that the model overpredicts the converted visitors by 40%. However, in this case, overprediction is favored as you don't want to miss visitors that they will actually convert. The predictive power of the model is actually reflected on its ability to predict accurately the exact converted visitors compared to real. The new DTO model predicted correctly 96% of the April converted visitors and missed only 4% of them, which highlights its excellent performance. On the other hand, the current DTO model failed to predict the majority of visitors. With the digital targeting model, we are now able to understand the important features that affect customer propensity and group the visitors in low, medium, and high propensity groups. With the appropriate marketing, there is the potential to uplift customer propensity from 10% to 12%, or even add the 6% of undecided visitors from a medium propensity group. This model can be used for real-time digital targeting, where we will analyze real-time information and specifically target visitors that they are looking at a specific product or have similar profile and be able to provide a personalized offer in real time. Thank you.